QR codes. You see them everywhere. You see them at the tills at a shop. You see them on your iPad when you're trying to verify something and you can't because your phone's all the way over. You also see them on those corner shop windows when you're walking around in town. But have you ever wondered how they actually work? Now you're probably saying to yourself, oh, they work because you scan them. And that's right, but you have to understand the anatomy of it. So this is a QR code. You obviously knew that, right? And it has 7 main parts. So first we have position markers, aka finder patterns, and they're like the little squares on top. And basically they enable high-speed scanning and identifies it. Next we have these little things called alignment markers, and they basically like orient the QR code, and so that it can be taken in all angles, so that the reader can read it in all angles. We have these things called timing patterns, and they basically relay information to the reader about the size of a data matrix, a series of data in dots. We have these things called version informations. There are over like 40 QR codes, and they identify which version it is, kind of like how our smartphones have different versions. We have these things called format informations, and they're located around the position markers, and these are also carrying essential details about the error intolerance and also the data mark patterns enhancing the QR code scannability. Now this highlighted bit here is called the data and error connection keys, and they're like really important because the extensive areas where data is encoded, which essentially goes as storage space for the data. It also accommodates error connection blocks, allowing up to 30% of the code to be damaged while being readable. Oh, that's a mouthful to say. I literally got it from my book. Finally, this yellow bit here is called the quiet zone, and it's just the border of it, and it also allows the reader to accurately read the image. So there you have it, folks. You have all the anatomy of a QR code and you'll never use it. However, I won't explain the history of the QR code. Maybe a history or science channel can explain it to you. I don't know. But what I do know is that life would actually suck without QR codes, because we literally use it for everything. And how else would you scan posters to like donate money to the national lottery or whatever? Anyways guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I actually wonder what would happen if QR codes actually went extinct. I know everyone just used barcodes instead, but I heard that QR codes have more security, so anyway. So to say all this information, I got it from this website called Bitly, so it's really nice. And I also did like a whole ass diagram in my book, so anyway, thank you for watching, and remember, chlorophyll makes plants green.